With Elon Musk's plans for the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, could Dogecoin's role in the future of the economy be more than just a meme? We explore the possibilities, the hype, and the reality behind Musk's latest venture into cryptocurrency. Huge breaking news coming out of the United States government that Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy are going to officially forge the Department of Government Efficiency for the United States, which is really exciting for us as a citizenry because of all the wasted crap that's out there. We'll get into that in today's video, but also very exciting for us in the crypto industry. As we can see right here on Crypto Bubbles, Dogecoin in this month is up 232% already. And when we take a look at the yearly report here, we do see that Dogecoin is up 402% since the beginning of the year. Now, what's interesting, Pepe did just get launched onto a major exchange, which we'll cover for you today. And as you can see, a huge pump, 1,415% for the year. And even if we take a simple look just on the weekly chart for Crypto Bubbles here, Peanut leading the way at a 1,200% also got listed on a major exchange. That is why it's got a huge boost. Dogecoin, though, currently this week up 95%. Coin Market Cap has all the details of what's going on right now. Market cap for the entire crypto industry currently sitting at $2.97 trillion. It is down 0.35% today. Volume into the crypto market is a little down today, nearly 300 billion. It's crazy to think that that is down 17%, $300 billion worth of volume into crypto, which is amazing. Fear and greed index, it is starting to get a little bit hot. Now, does that mean that there's going to be an ultimate sell-off? Some people are obviously heading to the hills. We can see on the daily Crypto Bubbles chart for the top 100 coins here, a lot of red is happening. A lot of people are just not trusting what's going on. Like it is because we've suffered, and there's so many people that have literal PTSD from the bull run when they saw last bull run going way up and making thousands of dollars and suffering for this long period of time, the 4-year cycle in the bear market. Some people round tripping it. You put $1,000 into a coin, it went up to 10,000 and now it's back to $500, right? Well, luckily everything is starting to pump again. But today, some of those people that got back to their entries are taking their not profits, but break evens and heading for the hills. But again, you have to remember there's a difference between trading crypto and holding crypto. A lot of people have a trading bag and a holding bag, but some people only have a trading bag and they're always trying to time the market just right, which is extremely dangerous. And here we have it officially right here, stated out last night, November 12th, statement from President Donald Trump. I am pleased to announce that the great Elon Musk, which if you remember, the reason why Doge is so big with Elon Musk is he was promoting it years ago. We'll get into that a little bit more in this. So it's just extremely ironic, which Elon Musk also talks about. Irony is usually the way everything plays out. So here we have, working in conjunction with American patriot Vivek Ramaswamy, will lead the Department of Government Efficiency, aka Doge. Together, these two wonderful Americans will pave the way for my administration to dismantle government bureaucracy, slash excess regulations, cut wasteful expenditures, and restructure federal agencies, essential to the Save America movement. This will send shockwaves through the system and anyone involved in the government waste, which is a lot of people, stated Mr. Musk. It will become potentially the Manhattan Project of our time. Republican politicians have dreamed about the objectives of Doge for a very long time. To drive this kind of drastic change, the Department of Government Efficiency will provide advice and guidance from outside the government and will partner with the White House and Office of Management and Budget to drive large-scale structure reform and create an entrepreneurial approach to the government never seen before. I look forward to Elon and Vivek making changes to the federal bureaucracy with an eye on efficiency and, at the same time, making life better for all Americans. Importantly, we will drive out the massive waste and fraud which exists throughout our annual $6.5 trillion government spending. They will work together to liberate our economy and make U.S. government accountable to we, the people. Their work will conclude no later than July 4th, 2026. A smaller government with more efficiency and less bureaucracy will be the perfect gift to America on the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence. I'm confident that they will succeed. Also, what's interesting, as a meme, as you may know, Elon Musk always talks about 69. Right now, this post last night came out at 5:02 p.m. But look at this, 69.6, maybe 6969 million views from Elon Musk's post right here. But obviously, people are lighting it up under the comment section. Really exciting for Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy, Trump, and also you, the American citizen, getting rid of some of this excess bloat. We also have here 10 hours ago, Elon retweeting out Elon Fast. Elon Musk said, if a government official is effective in spending your money, they should be rewarded. If they waste your money, they should be fired. And Elon posted back out, incentives matter. There should be a reward for wise spending, but those who waste taxpayer funds cannot be allowed to keep doing this without consequences.
Gin to a sunfish versus tequila, which would make the sunfish more aggressive? Nearly $1 million spent studying whether or not Japanese quail, if you give them cocaine, whether or not they're more sexually promiscuous. Was it one small step for man, or was it one small step for a man? And in the end, $750,000 later, they couldn't decide. Was it one step for man, one step for a man? $2 million for the construction of a kelp and shellfish nursery in Maine. $1.5 million to encourage video gaming in New York. We might be better off spending $1.5 million to discourage kids from playing video games. $388,000 for Columbia University, be giving a rich university that has $13 billion any money. $249,000 for the Baltimore Symphony. Give money to all the symphonies and we'd make them part of government. Whether or not.
So what does this government mixing with crypto have to do with anything? Well, the important thing when it comes to meme coins, what is the reason meme coins pump? Number one, social media hype and trends. Obviously, the number one trend going around right now is government because of the election. Trump got elected. Now there's a lot of talk and hype going on behind this election scenario, the play out. Now, just last night, Trump bringing on Elon and Vivek to pump the Doge Department of Government Efficiency, going exactly along with Dogecoin, because Trump, as we remember, is now the new crypto president, as they wanted to call him. But then also Elon Musk has been tweeting out about Dogecoin for years. In fact, if you didn't know, Dogecoin, you can actually pay for Tesla merch with Dogecoin. Years ago, Elon Musk even changed his profile picture to the actual image of the Doge. So when you're thinking to yourself, all right, if that's important, is hype and social media trends important for what's going on right now? Absolutely. Number two, why do meme coins pump? Well, let's take a look at celebrity endorsements right here. The world's richest man endorsed Dogecoin in the past. He accepts Dogecoin on his website. He just started the Department of Government Efficiency, which in my recollection, he was the first person that came up with that acronym. Community engagement. Obviously, we know the Doge guys are always going crazy, especially during a bull run. They talk a lot about how exciting Doge is. Speculative trading. I mean, it's a meme coin. It's all speculative. Liquidity and market manipulation. Well, tons and tons of liquidity are moving back into the crypto market. We just talked about the crypto market hitting $3 trillion worth of liquidity. Market sentiment, well, right now, obviously, everyone's thinking the bull run is back. Now, I know a lot of people, they kind of got sad and scared yesterday because of the fact that the pullback was happening. But look at, we've already rebounded almost 90% of those coins. Then you have lack of utility, ease of creation, institutional interest. Those don't really apply right now, but exchange listings do apply. And going back to coin market cap, we scroll down to Dogecoin. Also, Dogecoin did overtake XRP as far as the number 6 coin out there. But one of the most important things is the ease of buying it. As we know, there is a crazy hype meme mania on Solana, on XRP's first ledger, on Sui, right? But a lot of those coins, for a normal person, it's very difficult to get into. They don't know what wallet to buy it on. They don't know what exchange to buy it on. They don't know where to get it. The great thing is when you go over here to Dogecoin, you click on markets, there's 740 different places that you can buy Dogecoin. So ease of purchase. When we take a look at the charts here for Dogecoin, this is on the daily chart, we can see that for a very long time, money flow was to the outside. And if you want to use this indicator, it is free. It's called the Vu Manchu Cipher B Divergences Indicator. Go check it out. But as you can see, the money was flowing out, flowing out, flowing, and then it started to make this curve and it started flowing in. And as you can see, once it crossed over the green line, boom, started really flooding into the market along with other coins. But you can see right here that that is positive momentum into Dogecoin. In fact, when you're looking at this indicator on the daily chart, right here, when it switched from money flow exiting the market to money flow entering the market, there was a couple more days trading sideways, but then the explosive growth over time. Heading over here to Google Trends, we take a look at Dogecoin, and Bitcoin, because some people who are not in crypto are obviously now searching Doge, but they don't want Dogecoin because the creation of the Department of Government Efficiency, right? So when we take a look here at the chart right here, we can see that right now on November 3rd through the 9th, Bitcoin was at 40, Dogecoin was at 6, and Doge was at 3. Moving over here now to November 10th through the 16th, we have Doge, which is sitting at 19, Dogecoin at 47, and Bitcoin nearing the 100 mark. With Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs over and over and over again, obviously Bitcoin going to be the #1 search thing because no one can stop talking about it. And we're going to get into some Bitcoin news today. And if a lot of this information is too much or you're new or you're an expert, you can also head over to bullrunners.com. We do have now the Altcoin Pro that's available to you. It's a university to teach you the beginning to the extreme when it comes to cryptocurrency. Whenever you're getting involved with things of this nature, you want to do some research, and we've got experts on the back end that are here to help you. Head over to bullrunners.com or click the link right down below. We literally just launched this and we have 165 members already. We will have the bonuses for the first 1,000 members. You get a portfolio evaluation and a crypto tax mastery course. Some very explosive news today as well. Robinhood adds Pepe, Solana, ADA, and XRP to their platform. Again, some people are very scared. They don't know which platform to buy on, but a lot of people love to trade stocks, meme stocks, and that type of thing over on Robinhood. They don't even have a Coinbase app or a crypto.com app or anything like that yet. So now we have the meme coin Pepe, Solana, ADA, and XRP are all on Robinhood. As we know, Solana, ADA, and XRP are very established coins. Pepe, relatively new. And because of the hype behind meme coins right now, like right now, if we take a look at the daily Peanut, obviously blasting off with meme coin Pepe right here, just got launched on Robinhood as well, up 39%. Some of you may be wondering, well, why is Peanut doing so well? Well, that is because of the fact Peanut was listed on Binance. So as we take a look here at the Peanut the Squirrel chart on Coin Market Cap, right here the day before, this would be November 10th, boom, some people maybe had a heads up that this was coming because November 11th, which was the initial or the actual official is the word I'm looking for. Sorry, I can't talk sometimes. That was the official date of the listing. And then boom, people got even more excited today and yesterday, taking it to new all-time highs. I mean, take a look at this. If you would have bought this 2 days ago on the 10th, 3 days ago now, at 12 cents, it's now $1.57. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not buy any coins that we talk about on this channel. These coins could all go to zero, absolutely, but I'm just letting you know what is happening in the markets. Jumping over here to the news on X.com, I did want to show you this very popular talk show host, company owner, Dave Portnoy. He said he effed up with Bitcoin, but I'm at peace with it now. And Jack Mallers had a response to him. So this is one of those things, right, where the FOMO kicks in. He's angry. He did not buy it. But take a listen to this advice from Jack Mallers.
Listen, thinking you're late to Bitcoin is a failure of ego. I'll repeat that again. Thinking you are late to Bitcoin is a failure of ego. Bitcoin is an ego test. Late to Bitcoin, according to who? Oh, you're comparing yourself to your childhood friend. Oh, you're comparing yourself to people on the internet. Oh, you're comparing yourself to your coworker. That's why you think you're late to Bitcoin. What is that? That's a failure of your ego. That's an insecure small person. All of those, that has nothing to do with Bitcoin. You think you're late to Bitcoin? Michael Saylor just bought $2 billion worth of it. You're late? Where? How? Bitcoin's an ego test. As soon as you can sacrifice your ego and say, I'm not bigger than this thing, I can't control this thing, I am one with this thing. This thing is more important than me, it's bigger than me. It's when you become a Bitcoiner.
Interesting insights from Jack Mallers. I know for a fact that there's been many coins that I didn't buy that went crazy that I thought I was late to. Let me know down in the comment section. Do you feel that you are late to Bitcoin? Bitcoin just in surpasses the oil company Saudi Aramco to become the 7th largest asset in the world. Taking a look at the Bitcoin chart here, we're going to do the same thing that we did with Dogecoin. If we take a look, now interestingly though, Bitcoin has had some nice inflows, as we can see right here with the money flow right here. And then it had some red sections here, and then it turned green down here on this level, but also visually here on the daily chart. Once it turned green, it did have a little pullback and then lift off. So from where this indicator flipped green right here to where we're at now, that was a 55% move, $33,000 to the upside. As we take a look at XRP, we just had that same scenario play out for XRP. It just flipped green right here, made the W pattern, and it's up 50% for XRP. We'll take a look at Ethereum. Now, Ethereum had its green mark right here, October 11th. Had a lot of chop continuation through here, even turned back red for a second, but then flipped green. And Ethereum is up 44% since then on the daily. Taking a look at Floki, we did a video on the top 3 coins to buy now. Floki was one of them. Floki having the same scenario. It was green here. It's a lot of chop. So this hasn't even had steady money flow coming into it yet. Since the day we made that video, it grew by 85%. It's currently sitting down a little lower than that at 70%. One of the other coins I'm pretty big on for gaming in the crypto industry is Vulcan Forge, or PYR. We did the video same day. We did Floki, PYR, and Yield Guild Games. From that video to where we're sitting right now, it's a 20% move, but it did have a move of 40%. And Yield Guild Games, we did the video here. It had a move up to a 31% move, and it is now sitting at a 16% move. Money flow wise, this one turned green quite a while ago. But the reason why I like this one is it does have a great team and it's a great project. And if it gets back to all-time highs, it is a 2,200% move just to get back to all-time highs. And keeping track of the random coin that we picked from Coin Market Cap was Synesis 1. We did a video, we mentioned that on November 9th. That coin's potential back to all-time highs was 744%. So we'll continue monitoring this. I did not buy this coin. It was just a random pick. We'll see what happens. The green flow did turn green here. And jumping over to XRP, if you guys remember, it just turned green on the weekly chart here. Money flow finally turning into the green side. It had a green dot on this indicator as well. XRP having a slight pullback. Let's take a look here on the daily chart today. Since XRP turned green on the daily chart, it traded sideways and made its move to the upside. Currently sitting up 38%. When we look at our historical lines that we've been tracing, the first of every month is this blue line right here. That is typically when Ripple unlocks from escrow their XRP and sells it on the market. And it does have a dip there, but we did rip to the upside, currently running into that extreme resistance at 70 cents. And as we always talk about, the even numbers for XRP are extreme resistance and supports. So we broke through that 60 cents, which was very important. And it just continued ripping all the way to 70, but it even tapped exactly at 75 cents today and having the pullback. So the exciting news, we can continue to add to our charts here. So we're going to go ahead and add a new horizontal line. We're going to have to add in the 70 or the 80 cent mark. So we'll add the line, type in the coordinates of 80 cents. Not $80. $80 soon, right? But 80 cents is where we're going to go for now. And that'll be a white line. And then we'll also go ahead and add in our 85 cent, and we're going to make that one an orange line. So hopefully leaving these lower levels in the dust now for XRP. No more touching 65, 55. We want to stay up above the 70 cent mark. So the only problem that I keep on hearing about the market, where it's at, what's happening, is a lot of people just don't have that extra money to put into the market yet. They want to be able to make some extra money, but they have a 9 to 5. They don't know how to start a side hustle. They don't know how to make extra ends meet on the side. Their budget is already occupied. So they would like to have some more money. They don't know how. So our team, we have decided to help you guys out with that. So check this out.